How to change your phone number in Cash App. Here's exactly what to do. First, open Cash App and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Under your personal information, tap on Personal. Here, you'll see your current phone number linked to your account. Tap on the phone number, then tap Remove Phone Number to unlink your old number. Once it's removed, tap Add Phone Number. Enter your new phone number carefully. Cash App will send a verification code to the new number. Enter the code to verify and complete the update. Now your new phone number is fully linked to your Cash App account. Important: make sure your new number is active and can receive texts, or you won't be able to verify. If you can't access your old number, you may need to contact Cash App support for help updating your account securely. That's it. Your phone number is now updated in Cash App.